Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Findlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin. Hey guys, Naomi Findlay here, Australia's rapid renovation expert, and I am bringing you a new success tip for this month. As you can see, I'm actually on location at a local paint store. And I want to talk to you about one of the challenges that so many renovators have experienced over the years, and that is knowing what paint to put on top of what surface. We all know that some paints, some oil bases can't go over water bases, some water bases can't go over oil base. And especially when it comes in older homes to our doors and our trims and our sills, we find that over the years there's all sorts of things being painted on these. There's been different layers of highly inappropriate paint often applied, and what can sometimes happen is you can apply your paint which you think is appropriate over the top, but years and years, sometimes decades ago, someone has applied the wrong paint and it can forever destruct and affect what you're putting on top. Now there's this another challenge everyone has often faced is painting with oil-based paints. Everyone wants that hardy, enamel, amazing finish, but often people get a bit stuck, they don't like the cleanup, and it's really difficult. So this month, I'm bringing to you guys my favoritist new product, and it's because of the ease that it brings to you. So let me grab it for you. Ta-da! It is a Taubman's product. It is called the Ultimate Enamel. Now, it's an alkali base, which means it's actually a hybrid. Now, the amazing things about this is, one, it is a hybrid. Two, it is low odor, because there is nothing worse than walking into a property that you're looking to buy, you're looking to rent, and all you can smell is that really strong paint finish. Number three, it washes out in water. You heard it. It is an enamel finish, but it washes out in water. Comes in gloss or semi-gloss, so it's absolutely amazing for those really seamless finishes that we're often after on our doors. It can be used internally and externally, which is an even bigger bonus for those beautiful old homes that have the gorgeous balustrades that often, if you're using an acrylic paint on over years of hands on the rail looking out at the view from the veranda, they get chipped, which is where this sort of product comes in. And the best part is you can go straight over existing oil-based paints. So on all of your skirting boards, architraves and door jambs, this is the number. I'm so pumped and so excited about this product. I recently used it in a renovation and I was thrilled with the results. So guys, remember that paints aren't paints. A lot of the time you need to make sure you are getting the best on the market in regard to time, energy and finish, because the right products can completely streamline your renovation process. So don't forget guys, get in and have a look. That's my big tip. Check it out. It's an alkali Ultimate Enamel, and I'd get in, check it out and use it on your next renovation. It will save you so much time in painting and so much time in cleanup and give you an amazing finish. So go for it. I'll see you guys all next week.